Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to remember you one more time the importance of a paid consultation with a lawyer when you are going to purchase a real estate property in Italy. Today I just finished a 1 hour 41 minutes consultation with 2 lawyers from US and their client willing to purchase a beautiful villa in Liguria of about 2 million euro. This consultation was very huge, was very deep into the law because we went through all the aspects. So I explained them what's the role of the notary and of the real estate agent in Italy, which actually doesn't represent both parties as it's usually have and it's used in US countries. So you are used to 2 real estate agents. Here we have one that represents both. We explained the role of the notary, the role of the agent. We explained how the deal is made, what is a preliminary agreement as per Italian law, why you should take care of writing down an offer on a proposal, because from that moment where both offer and proposal are accepted, you have to be careful because the real estate agent might ask you the payment entirely of his or her commission, so be careful about this point. We also went through all aspects regarding cadastral categories, so if you're purchasing a villa or a non-villa, that makes a huge difference in the taxes. If you purchase a house as a first house or as a second house, it makes a big difference of how much taxes you pay and also how much taxes you pay in the future as a property tax on this. So that's very relevant and you have to take care about this. We went through all the verification of the landlord. So as a lawyer, I can enter into my Agenzia delle Entrate in my tax authority portal and I can verify by a codice fiscale if this or this other person is a real landlord at that moment. So I can make a very quick and effective verification of the property at the moment we're talking. We went through the 3 cadastral parts this offer was composed, because here we have been talking about the property of the villa itself, which is one cadastral part. We have been talking about the box, so the garage, second cadastral part, and we have been talking about the territory around the villa, which by the way in this case was a very nice only 600 square meters trees, which has some particularities because you have to know what you can do, what you cannot do with these olives. For example, if these olives are made, usually you are not supposed to make a swimming pool. You should ask for a specific authorization. Another question that usually comes in mind with my clients, can you change the structure of the villa? Well, this is possible depending if all the cubometry that was proportional to this territory was used or not. Usually, of course, it was used all entirely. All these aspects regarding how to transfer money, when the money comes, when the property passes from the landlord, the seller to the buyer, all these aspects, I am ready to clarify you more than this, and specifically in details, everything with a paid consultation. I think you should really consider one of our paid consultation when you purchase a real estate, because there are a lot of very precious and important informations when you do that. Please, if you have any comment, any quick question, please feel free to comment here below. I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to set up a paid consultation, please use my WhatsApp number here below in the description. Do not hesitate to write me any questions, any remark. Thank you so much for your view. Have a nice day.